You create and track class assignments on the Assignment Tracker. To access, select Assignment Tracker on the main menu. The Assignment Tracker lists the current assignments by due date, including keeping track of the assignments your students have submitted and completed. To create a new assignment, select the Create Assignment button. First, enter the assignment name, then indicate if you require a review. This means you will indicate when the assignment is complete. If you do not require a review, the assignment is automatically marked as completed when it is submitted. You can also indicate if your students can submit their assignments using an audio recorder. You determine when the assignment starts and when it's due. You also specify when the assignment expires. In other words, the period where the student can submit past due. Next, write your assignment instructions. To attach a resource, search for the resource by keyword or by selecting the resource category. You can also specify the resources by unit, lesson, and day. Select the Add button to attach the resource to the assignment. These will appear under Added Resources. You can choose to assign to specific students or the whole class. You can also select specific groups when sending project or activity-related assignments. Select the Save button to assign to the selected students. The assignment appears on the Assignment Tracker, arranged by due date. Your students will view assignments on their to-do lists. You can also assign a resource from the Resource Library. Select Attach from the Resource Tools menu. The resource is added automatically to the Create Assignment page. To assign an online assessment, select the Assign Assessment link to go to the assessment page. You can monitor current assignments to see what has been submitted, which students have outstanding work, or edit any assignment. To take a closer look at an assignment, select the assignment name. Select the Edit button to bring up the editable version. Make any desired changes, and select Save. The assignment is resubmitted to the selected students. To delete an existing assignment, select the Delete button on the Assignment Details page, then Confirm. To view your student submissions, scroll down to the Student section on the Assignment Details page. Select the View icon to view the student submission. In the pop-up that appears, you can see any comments the student added. Any files the student attached to the assignment are listed under Files. Indicate if the assignment is complete. If you select No, the assignment will be sent back to the student to make changes and resubmit. Select Save. This concludes our guide to the Assignment Tracker. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about the Open Court Reading program.